The Makita 18V LXT Brushless 2-piece combo kit, model XT269T, gives you two efficient brushless tools for drilling, driving, and fastening. The kit also includes the category's fastest charging 5.0 Ah batteries and the expansive breadth of line of the Makita 18V LXT system, so your batteries will power an expanding range of Makita tools and accessories. The XT269T includes a variable speed 1/2 inch hammer driver drill with 2 speed settings and an efficient brushless motor that delivers a full 530 feet lbs of max torque. The kit also includes a variable speed impact driver with a full 1,500 inch-pounds of max torque. The XT269T is part of Makita's expanding 18V Lithium-Ion system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18V Lithium-Ion slide-style batteries. Makita 18V Lithium-Ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. For improved tool performance and extended battery life, Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is a communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real-time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Efficient BL brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer run time per charge. Number 2. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. Number 3. The electronically controlled BL brushless motor efficiently uses energy to match torque and RPM to the changing demands of the application. Number 4. Variable 2-speed 1/2 inch hammer driver drill, 0 to 500 and 0 to 2000 RPM, with BL brushless motor delivers 530 Nm of max torque, weighs only 4.2 pounds with battery. Number 5. Variable speed impact driver, 0 to 3400 RPM and 0 to 3600 IPM, with BL brushless motor delivers 1500 pounds of max torque, weighs only 3.3 pounds with battery. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.